Hey guys, welcome to another Homelab Series video today. In today's video, we're going to play around with Stirling PDF. I think that's how you say it. If I said it, if it's completely wrong, like just ignore me. But this was actually a fun tool that I found on the self-hosted Reddit subreddit, and I was just like, oh, that's actually kind of cool because you can kind of host it yourself. And you essentially just go to a web browser, upload the PDF you want, and do whatever you want. Sign it, watermark it, do whatever you need to do. And it essentially works just on your machine. So say, for example, like you have something on your phone, or you have something that you need to get done real quick. And, I mean, obviously you don't want to just Google search, do some random PDF thingy online, and then hope to dear God they don't steal your information on whatever PDF you're signing, Like, that just doesn't seem like a right thing, at all to do. So you can host it yourself, and then you know where your information is going, right? That's exactly what this video is all about. So, no, it was really cool, so I thought I'd show you guys. And yeah, so this video is also sponsored by me, myself, and I. So if you enjoy the content, want to send me some free swag, sponsor me, my email's in the description below. So, okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, so we will log into our server. Root at 149. So we have the server here. We will open up, update our DNS while we do it. Not clone. Edit. Web ID. Select this. Make sure you update the serial number. And then add the entry. So Stirling in a. And then commit that. Stirling PDF. So essentially they have the whole GitHub repository in regards to what, this is all pretty much does. It is essentially a PDF manipulation tool. Kind of just allows you to do a lot of PDF stuff. Obviously you could download like Adobe Acrobat and do probably most of the stuff that you can do here in that. But what's the fun in that? You gotta have some stuff in your home lab to have fun with, right? So what we'll do here, they actually have a Docker, so we're going to just actually go with their Docker version here. So while we take a look at that, we will go through and install Docker and let that get installed while we walk through this. Install Docker Community Edition. Okay, so while we install, we can take a look at this. So looking at it, looks pretty legit, just like, hey, look, we can sign, PDF, compress, merge. I think there was like watermarks, add a watermark right there. You can password protect your PDF. I mean, there's a lot of options here actually that, I don't think I've ever done on PDFs, except I've only really used sign. But there is a lot of other things. Also, dark mode supported, guys, dark mode. So like clearly they know what they're doing. So based off of this, it looks like they just kind of have Spring Boot behind with PDF box. That's actually another kind of package that in like Linux is actually a just package that does a lot of like PDF related things, which is actually kind of cool. Uses Java 17 and Gradle to build the project if you want running it. But in this case, we're going to actually just use their Docker Compose thing here. So that finished installing. So systemctl start Docker, systemctl enable Docker, and then Docker compose.yaml. And copy that, paste that, leave that. And then we need to also install Docker Compose. Like that. Make sure it's executable. Plus X, use a local bin Docker Compose, and then kick off Docker. So Docker Compose up detached. So this will essentially pull the whole image. So obviously you can see how it will be on 8080. So essentially, you're using HTTP instead of HTTPS. We could configure HTTPS, but we won't do that in this video. We did it on a lot of other ones. We use our step CA server to create the cert and do it. I'm kind of tired, so we're not going to do it in this video. But You could do it, just follow my other guides. We use nginx and then do a step CA, so no biggie. But you can see here, it is now running on 8080. So if we were to HTTP Stirling.asgard, .dragon, Asgard's my other domain that I use, and then 8080 for the port, you can now see that you essentially get the whole PDF tool thingy. Obviously do doc mode because it just looks so much better, but there's a full list of options. You can convert PDF to a Word document, do PDF to presentation. That's actually interesting. Flatten. So this is actually something that would be really cool probably to use when you're like in college or whatnot. And you need to do like a lot of PDF manipulation. Oh my God, I can never say that word. Even add page numbers. So what I'll show you a little bit about the tool, just to kind of show you a few of the stuff. So I Google searched sample fillable PDF form, and I got this from some random website, which is actually really funny because it actually does look like a really funny form. So we downloaded that. So, I mean, say for example, you want to, I think sign, and you can actually use the search feature, which will actually help you search for what you want. So you can hit sign, browse, we'll grab the sample PDF so you can see the sample PDF. You can upload another image for your signature, or you can draw a signature. So, you know, just scribbles as my signature, add that, and then you can obviously move it to wherever you want. So like if a signature line was like right down here, you got the signature, and then you can download the PDF, and it will download, and you can see download signed, and there is the signature. So I mean, essentially it's a very slick kind of I mean, I could have done better signature, but it's a kind of a very slick program to easily just use. I mean, there's a lot of other operations that I haven't even looked at. You know, I mean, honestly, like you can add a watermark. So here we go, sample PDF, watermark. Maybe do like a 40 font size, I don't even know, but you can test it out. You can add a watermark, and now you can see, hey, now there is watermarks. So if you do have to do a lot of PDF manipulation stuff, or anything that, you know, sign docs or combine docs together, and you just want something quick and simple in a browser, this should just essentially do it. And they do it pretty well within a Docker container, and allows you to just do PDF stuff. So that's pretty much it. So if you like the video, like the tool, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.